Psychologist Lisa Barrett's groundbreaking research reveals that language, memory, and even rational thought all depend upon emotion.
When you feel angry, you experience this as very different from when you're having a memory, or when you're thinking something, or when you're perceiving something like a beautiful flower. Those seem to you to be very, very different kinds of experiences, but at the level of the brain, there are common networks that are active during all of those events.
The notion that our emotional and rational minds are entirely separate dates back to Plato, who saw emotions as savage, brutish instincts. Charles Darwin argued that emotions are evolutionary holdovers from animals which no longer serve any useful purpose, like our vestigial tailbones. Humans of the future, or any alien species far along the evolutionary trail, will not be burdened with feelings. But according to Lisa, you can't separate reason from emotion. In her lab at Northeastern University, Lisa studies how emotions shape thought. She does this by altering people's core affect, the basic state of mind that underlies complex emotions. And she does this without their knowing it.
So subjects come into the laboratory, and using specialized equipment, we present different images to the left and the right eye. To one eye, we will present flashing images, let's say Mondrian-type image of artwork, embedded in visual noise. To the other eye, we present a static image of either a neutral face, a smiling face, or a scowling face.
When one of your eyes is shown a flashing image and the other eye is shown a still image, you are only conscious of seeing the flashing image. But the still image nonetheless reaches your subconscious mind. By measuring skin conduction, heart rate, breathing, and vascular resistance, Lisa detects a subject's unconscious responses to the hidden faces, and then measures how this affects their thinking. She's found that people exposed to the static smiling face are more likely to find the Mondrian-type image beautiful. But when the hidden face is frowning, they don't like the picture.
It's not the case that we're impassively viewing things in the world and then having reactions to them. Our affective feelings are actually influencing what we see and how we make judgments about what we see.
Whether we know it or not, emotions determine how we think and what we pay attention to.
Your affect helps you to allocate your attention, for example, towards me, and ignore all the other sources of information that you could potentially be paying attention to. Affect also helps you to sharpen your perception of the thing you're paying attention to.